Alright, I'm going to show you how to use this trading analytics. So first you start with your username so you don't want to put any space here because that's not going to work. Log in. So once you log in, you will get a bunch of different graphs, and here are some default values. So you start with choosing the tickers. Over here you can choose say Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Now this can be customized to whatever you need when you set up the app. So going down the graph, first one is the candlestick of last 30 days of trades with the volume data. And then here, this model chart here is a model that was based on the strategy over here, which is the TEMA, is triple exponential moving average. And then the crossing line here represents a buy signal or a sell signal. Now you have different windows here that you can play with. For example, the short and long. Whatever the window you set, it's gonna change this whole graph. So you submit again, the shape of this graph change a little bit. I mean the cross line if you look into detail. And then this model valuation is a interpretation of this graph, basically showing you when do you sell and when do you buy. So the green represents the buying point, the red represents the selling point. And then here's a summary of your net profits. Now this summary is based on the assumption of 1 million of initial investing capital. And so going down the line is starting day close price and end day close price, profit loss if hold till the end day. So this is based on the assumption that if you don't use the model, if you just stop here by buying and exit it right here by selling, you're actually losing money. Now if you're using the model by going through all these buy sell, you are making money here. This is about 21K. Now there's two assumptions here, right? Because this is about 1,021,000. So this represents how much portfolio value you will have from the initial capital of 1 million and whatever the profit you earn. This is a net internal rate of return. Here is about 1.41%. Okay, now this does not look very attractive, is it? So that's why you play around the short and long window to get the sweet spot that you like. For example, here I use 9 and 20 and 39 and still use triple. Now you can change this to double exponential moving average. The strategy code here you can find on this Finta TA library. So if you go to this library, you get all these codes. You can try EMA, DEMA, TMA. Now not all the code will work because some code like this oscillator is not going to have the type of graph that you look for. So my favorite one is triple. So you go to TMA. This is what you get here. Assuming that I'm only investing in 1 shares, this is what you get. 78% roughly internal rate of return, and your profit is about 8,000 if you only invested one share for this year. The trading period can be shown here from last year May 5th to this year May 5th. And here is a ledger that show you the cash flows of in and out. Yeah, basically that's it for how to use this app.